welcome in the half session. We are very happy to welcome Carine to moderate this session and to drive the session, in fact. So Carine, could you introduce the session and of course present yourself? Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, thank you for inviting me first. My name is Carine De Potter. I'm from Belgium. I'm a nurse and a sexologist. And I came across virtual reality several years ago. In the beginning, as a caregiver, I could project myself. I could get like some adherence to the tool, but I didn't know how to match the technology at that time. It was 10 years ago. To mix the technology with the caregivers. So when they asked me to moderate the session today with kind of specific thematic on the panel that you will see later, then it rings the bell and I say yes, because the topic is how to scale up. And how to scale up where yet we didn't start up. Why do I say we didn't start up? Entrepreneurs, investors, and technology itself is there. Mixed, augmented, and virtual reality, it does exist. But does it really sell? How to get into a hospital? How to reach the users? These are the real questions. So thank you. There are events such as Laval and other ones around the world that allow people to meet each other and really discuss about their needs. Technology is always a bit more in advance and need to be more accurate in the way like how the end user, how the user or the caregiver can empower the tool as well for their own needs. So during the session today, we will have several speakers. And Lars, for example, Lars Riedman, that sit here, is from Germany. He's a physician, a neurologist, but also a biomedical engineer. So, of course, not everyone study both like engineering and train as a doctor. But what I'm saying, like, is at the intersection where healthcare meets technology. Because it's about that, it's about understanding each other. It's about having a common language. When a caregiver asks for something precise in technology, does the engineer really understand what he's asking? You need to understand the word to use the tool really in an adequate way. Plus, there are many layers, of course, to use technology. It's a large word with different usage, but you can be trained how to empower your training or being a better doctor by learning by doing, which is new. I mean, maybe people in general, they don't realize, but when we learn our profession, it's directly with an organism. It's with a person. It's with maybe my mom, how I tried the first blood test was on my mom. Or a doctor to practice a surgery, maybe there is a cadaver lab, yes, but then it's directly your body. So virtual reality allows to learn by doing, making mistake, which is totally another pedagogical frame, you know? So yet here, to wrap a bit the introduction, Lars will start with this presentation.